So, good morning, everybody. On behalf of my colleagues of our museum preparing this symposium, it is my pleasure and honor to welcome you all. This symposium aims to discuss issues, ideas, and dreams on university museums. The focus on reciprocal interaction of collection and research is our emphasis on this symposium. French artist Paul Gauguin coined 3 fundamental questions addressed to all human beings. These are: where do we come from? What are we? Where are we going? As museum staffs, we are in a good position to give proper answers to these questions, because we have collections at hand, and these collections are the only witnesses of the past. Further, our museums are located in universities. This is very important, where we can expect collaboration from so many colleagues from various disciplines, which is a big advantage in carrying out our activities in seeking after answers for these important questions. If we should exploit potential of museum collections in the research properly, we may not only reconstruct the past, but elucidate the meaning of happenings at present, and also make sound prognosis to the future. To do so, we should intensify our museum's activities. For this reason, I ask all of the participants to provide valuable experiences, excellent ideas, and sound discussions during the symposium. I express our thanks to Christopher Trumevan, Secretary General of Association of Pacific Rim Universities. Thank you. As well as our President Hiroshi Matsumoto and Executive Vice President Yuzo Onishi for the kind support in enabling us holding this symposium. I also express my thanks to Vice President Junichi Mori, in charge of International Relations of Kyoto University, and his staffs for kind of supports. Thank you. We discussed very hard to realize this symposium. Also, administrative staffs, graduate students of our museum and also from our university intensely worked out to realize this symposium. I express thanks to these people. Finally, I express our thanks to the Kyoto University Foundation in providing us generous funding. By the way, Dr. Van talked about APRU, interesting coincidence. Our museum is also 15 years old, and we both, of course, the dimension is different, but we also worked intensively to bring interesting achievement from our museum, and this is one achievement of our activity in that Kyoto University Museum, which was established 15 years ago with the very strong leadership of Professor Emeritus Shoichi Kawano. He's there. And one of the goals of APRU might be making Asia-Pacific research infrastructure, and I think the collection, research, reciprocal interaction will bring very stable and sound basis for this infrastructure. So, thank you very much.